Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 705 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out a product that I have been wanting to try out for so long. This is from Wet n Wild and it's the Makeup Locker 3-in-1 BB cream, highlighter, and corrector. So I actually ordered this at the beginning of December from the Wet n Wild website, and it must have gotten lost in the mail or something because it didn't arrive until just now, but I'm just happy it got here. I'm like, thank goodness I didn't buy this for someone as a Christmas gift because it arrived so late. But anyways, I have it now. It's still available on the Wet n Wild website, but for $3.60. Like, it's on sale right now. To begin with, it was only like $9, but $3.60 for this product. I feel like that is an amazing deal. I mean, I haven't tried it out yet. I don't even know how it's gonna be, but it's a 3-in-1. So that's just really cool. So it has on the bottom here a BB cream with like a spatula applicator. That's different, which I did get in the shade Fair Light. And then on the top here, it has a corrector and a highlighter. And in the top here, ooh, there's a little mirror. This is the cutest design. You get this peach color corrector and a highlighter. Let's see. Ooh, it's a cream highlighter. That's nice. And then a peach color corrector, which is to offset dark circles, which I'm definitely going to use while I apply some peach corrector to my dark under eye circles. This was a collection that was like a gym, like fitness workout type of makeup line. And that really appealed to me because it's about like convenience and getting ready quick. And I actually just got back from the gym and I showered. So it'll be cool to see like how this product works if I were to bring it with me to the gym. But so there is the orange peach corrector under my eye. It does look a little crazy right now, but for the fun of it, I am just going to color correct one of my under eyes so we can see the difference with and without the peach corrector. And then I'll apply the highlighter because it is like a shimmery, I'll do a swatch, like a shimmery, almost like a pinkish toned highlighter. It's like it has some pretty nice glow to it. Here on my hand, kind of hard to see on camera, but it's the type of highlighter that I would apply on top of my foundation or BB cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and this probably is the type of product that you can just rub in with your hands because it is supposed to be for on the go, and it's just like a light coverage BB cream. So I'll try. This feels so weird for me. I always use a makeup sponge to apply it, but let's see how it does if I were to just like blend it into my chin. I mean, it feels like I'm just applying like a moisturizer. So it does blend out totally fine with my finger. It just takes longer to do that. So I am gonna go in with my makeup sponge like I normally would. And let's see. It's like so much faster blending it out with a sponge. So the BB cream on top of the corrector, it actually looks really good. Like, you can't even really tell that there was any peach or orange color correcting underneath. And you can see the difference in the dark circles with and without it. It really did help to cancel out that kind of purple tone. Ooh, I'm very impressed by that color corrector. Like, I'll use that color corrector even under my regular concealer. And so now I have it blended out from like my cheek and my chin. And here's the difference. It really did a beautiful job of smoothing out my skin. It did light coverage, so you can still see like some of my redness, my freckles, some blemishes, but it really gave a beautiful smooth texture. And it's not like super shiny, but it does have some nice radiance and glow. Like it really does look like I just applied basically like a tinted moisturizer. And it looks so undetectable, smooth on the skin, like there's no cakiness. It really has such a beautiful finish. Wow. I'm really happy with this so far. Let me go ahead and apply it. I like this spatula too. I've never really used an applicator like this, but I like it. If I were to make this my perfect design, I would add like on the bottom here, a sponge or like a blending brush, so then you'd have everything you need in just this one packaging, because I definitely think that it blends out a lot better and quicker with a makeup sponge, or I'm sure a foundation brush would work just as well. And this fair light seems to be a nice shade match for me. And I didn't apply any primer to this. I wanted to see how it would sit on my pores on its own. And I was kind of thinking like if it's a BB cream, it's more of like a wear on its own, light coverage type of deal. And that's like exactly what it is. It feels so moisturizing on the skin. Like I don't need a hydrating primer or anything like that. And over my pores, I'm also finding that it looks really, really smoothing. I think this looks awesome. Like it helped to even out my skin tone, so my skin still looks very natural. Like it looks like I could have just come out of the shower with nothing on my face, because it doesn't look like there's any product on my skin. It's so smooth. There's no detectable texture whatsoever. But it helped to even out my skin tone without completely covering up like my natural imperfections. Let's see what it can do for my under eye without any corrector. Since it is such a sheer light amount of, like I wouldn't even say it's sheer coverage. I would say it's light coverage, but I tend to want full coverage on my under eye circles. But let's see with that color corrector. I mean, it does a pretty nice job of helping with my under eye circles on its own, but with the color corrector, I feel like it does a much better job. So that color corrector really impressed me. I never really ever use orange correctors on my under eye circles, but I am definitely going to start doing that because it made such a difference for me. And I just love how healthy and radiant my skin is looking right now. And this feels so nice on my skin. Like there's really no texture. It feels so light. Like I think this is an amazing BB cream. And for the price, $3.60, I need to buy more of these. Wow, I am so impressed. And I feel like there's so much beautiful radiance to the finish of this BB cream that you don't even need the highlighter. But I'm definitely gonna go ahead and apply some. It's got a really nice creamy texture. I like it because it's subtle. And I feel like if you had like this blinding, crazy highlighter, it wouldn't really go with the look. But that's really pretty. Like you can see that difference. I applied a lot of it versus without it. Like it does add some nice dewiness to the skin, and it looks so perfect and smooth on top of that BB cream. Wow, such a perfect combo. I love this. I love this complexion. I love every one of these products. All three of them are beautiful. I had never really seen reviews or talk about this product, and I'm really surprised. Like, this is awesome. I don't know why more people haven't been raving about this. Like, I'm gonna rave about this. This is amazing. Sometimes those 3-in-1 products, they're like, the design is there, but the quality and the application really isn't. But this is everything. I love the design of it. I love the application. I love the colors. This is so good. I definitely feel like this was worth the wait in the mail. It's definitely worth the price point. Like, even at $9, which I think is what I paid for this, was the $9, so worth it. But you can get it for so cheap right now that you definitely should. A perfect travel product, a perfect on-the-go product. I'm so happy to have this in my collection. I did pick up a bunch more Wet n Wild products that I'm really excited to try out, and this just made me so much more excited to try all of those out since I'm so blown away with this. I love it so much. Definitely going to continue using this. This is like a daily wear type of product for me. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.